Assalamu alaikum guys. Today we'll show you how can eraser and format the Apple Macbook M1. M1 series different with other models. The format and erasing the systems. First is coming shut down the laptops and also put the power adapter and cable, and then press the power button.
Okay.
Press hold for a few minutes. Also will show you continue hold for startup options. Loading start options. This one is options, and this one machine HD, but we will need coming for option and continue. Okay, we coming here to disk, continue. Okay, here's macOS base system. That one is for system 76 MB, but we will coming here machine HD. We can for eraser here. This is the eraser option, and this is the machine APFS. That's all is okay. If you can change also the new volume and also new system. We'll put eraser. Need a few minutes. That one is done, the eraser. And then this is the message. We will close this page, and again coming reinstall macOS big. So we'll make continue, then and continue. एक बार आप याद रखो कि इधर आपको वाईफाई कनेक्ट करना मानता है, वाईफाई इंटरनेट कनेक्ट करना मानता है. ओके, एग्री और एग्री, and select the machine disk, your SSD disk or as disk. Not sure available for authorization and error. Wait. I don't know. I think it will not eraser complete. You need to eraser also the second machine HD. Then continue. Sorry guys, we will not erase the data machine. We'll make eraser. Now it's done, and we'll close this page. You look, you can see. Sorry guys, data now is clean. We'll close this page and then need a few minutes. Active Mac. Before the old model 2019 and 2018, also 2015 is needed to, if you want to make the format and also coming to the options menu, we need to press the power off, and also we can power on and press the command plus R buttons. But this one is the different. This one you can see only the continue that power button, and also you can continue eraser. Okay, now is continue. It's very easy. You connect your Wi-Fi and then you will continue, and it's coming reinstall the new software. Agree. You can select the disk. Continue. Now we will show you like about 3 hours and 0 minutes, but this is like needed maximum 20 minutes. Now download finish. It will automatically restart. It's needed a few minutes. And then now is finished, and you can select your country and also your language will continue connect also the Wi-Fi, and you can active very easy. Thanks for watching video. Subscribe our channel and waiting for the new videos.